Hi guys, welcome to How to Solve YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create post for Instagram page. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. First, you need to search in Google canva.com or you can search Canva Pro. Open that website and then you need to log in. I already created account. You need to simply first create account on Canva. Then you need to search here Instagram post and select the first one, and here you can see that I have different templates. Select this one, and here you can customize this or you can change this text, anything that you want to change. Register now to change into book now. Let me show you. And here you can see that I made a change, and then you need to simply click on download, and then you need to click on download. So by following these steps you can easily create post in Canva. If you haven't joined Canva, there is a link in the description. You can join Canva. You can also enjoy Canva features by joining the Canva Pro, and here is the pricing. It will only cost you $12 per month and you will get a lot of features, the paid features of Canva, by joining Canva Pro. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.